Hi guys, Elizardo Mercado here. In this video, I will share you my top 4 mobile application that I've used personally as a safety officer that I think will be helpful for you too.
Yes.
Number 1 is first aid application. This one is really helpful not only to those who are assigned or selected or maybe part of ERT team as a first aider, but also to those who are working as a supervisor at mga engineer. This application will give you an easy steps guide on how to respond in case meron tayong mga injuries, mga trauma, medical conditions at breathing problems. Kasama na din dyan yung mga bites and stings and safety and preparedness. So it's more like also including for our personal safety. Number 2 is yung light meter. I know some of you will say that it's not accurate. Yes, it's not accurate, but it will be useful in case you forget your lux meter device. Minsan pag pumunta tayo sa site, meron tayong ma-observe or makikita na tingin natin hindi adequate yung ilaw. So it's very useful in the sense that you can just pull out from your pocket and use the cell phone to get some data or ano ba yung lux level dun sa area na yon. So instead of guessing, you can use your mobile to capture. After that, if you found out it's inadequate, you can go back to get your calibrated device, right? Ano bang maganda dito? So in case na mababa yung lighting level, we can inform the operation directly to add some lightings, then go back to our office or to your area to get your devices to confirm that the level is low. Number 3, almost the same like the light meter, it's the noise meter device. So minsan pag pumunta tayo sa site, may mga ma-observe tayo na activity na bigla na lang umulpot.
Wait, what?
Or maybe napansin nyo yung machine is masyado nung maingay. So instead of relying on your ear, you can use your mobile phone to check whether it's exceeding on the standard level or acceptable level. There's a lot of controls that we can apply, like reducing the exposure or wearing PPEs or providing covers to the machineries at marami pang iba. My point here is that you can just use your mobile, get the reading, and kung mapansin mo na sobrang taas ng noise level, you can directly inform the operations kung ano yung mga precautions na pwede nilang gawin while going back to your office again to collect or get your calibrated device para ma-confirm mo na talagang mataas yung noise level. So it's very fast, practical, and it will show that we are proactive as a safety officer. Number 4 is windy application. This is very cool application kasi hindi lang niya mapapakita yung wind speed, mapapakita rin niya kung saan yung direction ng hangin. So in case you have a lifting activities, you're working on a high-rise building, or you are working in a stadium which includes or involve high access activity or rope access, or maybe use of man lifts, MUPs, whatever working at heights you have, you need to consider the wind direction. So in case yung wind is blowing towards your operation, you have to consider that and maybe postpone your activity. Depends on the wind speed. But the best one is to have the calibrated wind speed meter sa project site nyo para makapture nyo kung ano ba talaga yung wind speed na meron dun sa area na nandun kayo or pinagtatrabahuhan nyo. Kasi yung application will just give you initial information or initial precautions kung ano ba yung kailangan natin consider dun sa current situation or activity natin. So yan yung 4 application na tingin ko na kailangan ng safety officer. Not only that, including the supervisor level, engineering level, kasi this will be very useful for you, especially if you're working outdoors. Kung tingin mo meron pa mga ibang application or mga application na ginagamit mo na nakakatulong as a safety officer, i-comment mo lang sa baba para makita ng mga iba natin, mga safety officers. Pala, meron tayong ino-offer na training. It's about AI skills and tools. Hindi pa siya masyado nag-exist sa market. As a safety officer itself, paano ba natin ma-apply yung AI sa ating mga tasks? This training is for you if you are interested to change how you work as a safety officer. Plus, it's including the risk assessment training, comprehensive training on how to conduct a risk assessment step by step. Plus, you will get an access for almost 200 safety files like training materials, SOPs, forms, policies, templates, as well as CSP and CRSP reviewer if you are interested to take those exams for membership. get this training plus the access for those documents for 30 days. Mag-comment ka lang sa baba or i-message mo lang ako sa number na to kasi may problema ako pagdating sa access dun sa ating FB. Currently, yung page natin is managed by my sister in the Philippines, so I don't have a full access pagdating sa inboxes and she don't have time to read all those messages. So I hope you understand the situation. Pagbalik natin ng Pilipinas, magkaroon na tayo ng access and I will message you all for all your questions and queries. Right now, I would like to appreciate if you can message me on this number on WhatsApp, or maybe we can connect on LinkedIn, or message me on LinkedIn to have more information about this training. I'll be happy to guide you.